Man, things is different now, man.
Well, nigga, you didn't out here put all these songs, that fucking all these bitches no more.
Oh, I can't do that no more, man. I seen the light, man. I almost lost my daughter, man. Everything CPS tried to take it from me, man. I'm done with that game, man. No more hustling, man.
Hey, but listen, when you ever ready to get back home with some bricks, man, I got you.
I don't want to get on, though,
Hey,
Bino. I don't want to get on.
Hey, but listen, though, I got you, though. But listen, I'm all cool with that, you know what I'm saying? What you doing, man, trying to make a change for your life and all that, you know what I'm saying? But guess what? It's all good. It's green on the other side of the fence. You feel me, baby?
Yeah, I'm just saying, though, I'm done with the hustling. I'm just saying I'm going to get you back that zone that you gave me. But after that, though, you're not going to see me no more, man. That's why I've been gone right now.
I need that right now. What you mean you going to give me back that zone I gave you? I need that back right now.
Right now.